I'm gonna slap you guys with some knowledge here. I'm gonna teach you how to find inverse relations. Now, first we gotta know what are inverse relations. They put interchanges. It interchanges the input and the output values of the original relation. This means the original domain and range are also interchanged. So we're actually going to find an inverse relation, and this is my example. It's going to be f of x equals 3x squared minus 9 over 6. Now these are your answer options. It is a, y equals plus or minus square root of 6x plus 9 over 3. B is y equals plus or minus square root of x plus 3 over 2. C is y equals plus or minus square root of 2x minus 3. And then D is y equals plus or minus square root of 2x plus 3. Now, we're going to actually solve. Now, you start off first with switching out the x squared on your equation for y squared. And we're going to multiply each side by 6 because we need to take out the 6 from the right side. And that's when you get 6x equals 3y squared minus 9. And after that, you are going to add 9 on both sides, so you get 6x plus 9 equals 3y squared. Now you're going to divide each side by 3, and you're going to end up with 6x plus 9 over 3 equals y squared. Now that's when you end up with 2x plus 9, because you divide 6 and 3, and that gives you 2. And you are going to divide 9 by 3, and you're going to end up with 3. My bad, I didn't change that 9 out. You're going to end up with plus or minus square root of 2x plus 9 equals y. And the answer is going to be D, y equals plus or minus 2x plus 3, because on the last slide you had to divide 3 by 6 and then 9. So these are the common mistakes people make. So on A, it is simply because it's not simplified or complete. So everyone just usually commits this mistake because it's 6x plus 9 and then over 3, and then people just leave it like that, and they just don't simplify it. And then on B, the mistake that people make is they divide before multiplying to take the 6 out. So you end up with the square plus or minus the square root of x plus 3 over 2, and that's not right. And y equals plus or minus the square root of 2x minus 3 is just either to just confuse you or just an easy cross out answer. And D, well, that's the answer, obviously. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.